Okay guys, this is one of my Clickbank accounts and I actually have 3 accounts, 2 are test accounts. And here you can see my earnings on this account. And if you are a beginner, I'm guessing that you wish to start making money just like this. So today I'm going to show you a method that is 100% free. You don't have to invest any money. But you will need to invest some time and you will need to invest some work. And to be honest with you, this method requires a good communication skills. So if you have a good communication skills, then you need to apply this method because it has a really good conversion rate. And you can use it not just for affiliate marketing, you can use it to promote your blog, your website, to build your mailing list, to promote your offline and online business, and so on and so on. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so obviously first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Second thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. And for that you can use Digital24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Kickstarter or any other affiliate network. But for this example, I'm going to use Clickbank. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on Marketplace in order to find products to promote. And because we are talking about make money online and affiliate marketing, I'm actually going to find products in make money online niche. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on e-business and e-marketing. And if you're a beginner, you actually need to promote products that have a low initial sale because it is much easier to sell products if they are actually cheap because people will think, well, it doesn't cost that much, so why not try? And that is why it is much easier to sell products that are cheap. So to find products that have low initial sales, what you can do is you can simply come here and then when you see here initial conversion, you can simply, let's just say here, $25, that is optimum price, from 0 to $25, and then press enter. And Clickbank will give you a list of products that have up to $25 initial sale. And you need to choose one of these products. Now by far it would be best option if you can actually test each of these products by yourself because you wish to promote only a good products, because you don't want to promote just any products. You wish to promote a really good products for this method. That is really important. So what you need to do, you actually need to go here through these products, and as you can see, many of these products actually have a good conversion rate. Let's say for example this product here, Click Wealth System. Here you can see on average people make $16.49. Gravity is 87. But when I open their affiliate tools page, so let me just click here on to open it in new tab, and when you scroll here you will see initial you can make $9 on a front end sale, but they actually have up sales and down sales and you can make much more money. And all you have to do is just make that initial sale and they will do rest of the marketing. They will do up sales and down sales and you will earn a commission, affiliate commission for each of those up sales and down sales. And that is why you can earn much more money. And that is why you need to find products that have a low initial sale and then you can make much more money when they make up sales and down sales. So now when you have your product that you wish to promote, now you actually need to start promoting that product. But before we continue, I have a small request for you. Please like this video and also please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below because I answer on all of the comments on my videos. So with that being said, let's continue. Okay, let me first show you potential of the website we are going to use. When you go on SimilarWeb, you will see that last month this website got 8.2 million visits. And when you scroll here, you will see that more than 70% of their visitors are coming from tier 1 countries. United States, Canada, Australia, Italy and United Kingdom. So this website have a good potential for affiliate marketing. And I'm actually talking about Miwi. Miwi is a social media website just like Facebook. Actually, it is very much similar to Facebook. And obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to register. Add your first name, your last name, add your email and re-enter your email. Add your password, confirm that you're over 16 years of old and that you understand the terms of condition. Get started and confirm your email and you will register on Miwi. And after that, you will come to your dashboard. Now, this is how your dashboard looks on Miwi. As you can see, it is very similar to Facebook. And there are actually 2 ways of doing promotion on Miwi. Now, way number 1 is to actually create connections. Connections are what followers and friends are on Facebook. And you need to create as many connections as you can. And then what you can do is you can simply share link to your blog, to your website, or to your affiliate offer or whatever on your Miwi wall. And like I said, if you have 5, 6, 10,000 connections on Miwi, then those people will see that post in their feed and they can potentially click and visit your blog, your website, or check out your affiliate offer. That is way number one. And way number two is by far one of the best ways of doing affiliate marketing, and that is by creating connection with people. And what you can do is you can actually find groups, related groups. To do that, you can simply click here on browse groups and you can find groups in your niche. And because we are talking about make money online, what I need to do, I need to find, okay, business, and I can find business related groups, and you need to join these groups. Now I already joined one of these groups, so let me just find, okay, this is the group. So when I click here, I will visit this group, and you can start making posts in this group. But like I said, best option is to create connections with people. So what you can do is you can click here on members, and here you will see a list of members, people who are member of this group. And what you can do is you can simply click here on chat and you can start chatting with these people. You can start creating connections with these people. In that way, these people will start trusting you. You will create trust. And then when you recommend them some product, they will actually buy that product because now they trust you. You created connection with them. You help them about something, whatever they need. And that is why they will now trust you and they will buy that product. Conversion rate for this method is 50-60%. That is how good this method is. Like I said, it takes time, it takes work, it needs a good communication skills, and you can communicate. You cannot reach thousands and thousands of people at once. You can reach, for example, 5 or 6 people every hour. Because like I said, you need to communicate with these people. You can open few of these chat windows. As you can see, I opened 3, and you can chat with 3 people at the same time. And you can offer them to help them about their business, teach them how to do affiliate marketing or whatever they need. In that way, you will create connection, and then you can recommend them to buy the product that you are promoting. And like I said, if Clickbank doesn't work in your country, no problem. You can promote products from Digistore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or any other affiliate network. And even better option is to actually promote your own products. This is really good method. Like I said, its conversion rate is 50-60%. And proof that this method is really that well is you probably have an Instagram account and you're probably getting messages from many people on the Instagram that are offering you exactly that, to chat with you about something, about how to make money online, about travel or whatever it is. And that is exactly the same point here. You need to start chatting with these people. You will send them a message on their chat and they will respond on that message. And you should contact them first saying, hi, I see you're in this group and I'm guessing that you need help about making money online. I can help you with that. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. And then you need to help them. And that is why I said it is really important that you recommend a really good products. You don't want to recommend just any product. You wish to recommend a good product because, like I said, now you are creating connection with these people. You are creating trust with these people. They are now trusting you. And you wish to promote them only a good products. That is why it is really important to promote only good products. And you can apply exactly the same tactic on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter and other social media. Find people in your niche who are struggling or on making money online in this case, and offer them to help them, to teach them how to make money online or whatever they need. And in that way you will create trust, and then you can promote your product or your affiliate product to them. And like I said, conversion rate is 50-60%. So if you, for example, create connection with, let's say, 10 people, 5 or 6 of them will buy that product. And if you are earning, let's say, $20 per sale, that is $100 to $120 every day. And you can create connection with 10 people every day. Now that is $3,000 every month, totally free. But like I said, it takes some good communication skills. So this is how you make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2022 without website. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.